Welcome back guys, welcome to another video of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily download and install Audacity on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First of all, open google.com and type Audacity download, and here click on the first link, and this is the official Audacity website. Here you see a bunch of options. You need to select Audacity for Windows. After that it will ask you to if you download the installer in zip file or you simply download it the installer without the zip file. So first of all we are going to click on Audacity 2.2.1 installer, and within a moment download starts, and here you see download is complete. Now click on show in folder and then go to Audacity. This is double click on installer or right click and then open it. After that, first of all just select the language, your preferred language, and press OK, and then click on next. Again click on next, then select the location where you want to install. We want to install it on the default location, so we just press OK and next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, just check it and click on next and then click on install. Now just need to click on next and then click on finish. As you see, Audacity is successfully installed on our laptop. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.